10 o'clock high. Okay, this is a lyrics episode because I started out on a bike ride. The concept hit me. Very simple. If you didn't know, I'm working on an album right now. It's called Lighter Than Hair. And this is going to be a funhouse record, kind of like Balls for You to Play With. Monty's Farm, that was a nice Americana country kind of thing. Balls for You to Play With, that's a funhouse thing. This new album is a funhouse kind of thing, Lighter Than Hair. So anyway, this idea is coffee and jazz, because I like coffee and jazz. And it's going to have a tongue-in-cheek delivery. And it's going to have this catchy chorus that goes like this. Coffee and jazz, jazz and coffee, everything I need. A hot cup of magic and a room full of groove makes the morning move, baby, can't you see? So that'll be in and out of there. But then I'm going to go into the addictions of cocaine and marijuana and heroin. Okay, so the last verse will be heroin, and then but it's going to be with this happy, jazzy delivery. Okay, so hang with me here. The lyrics are all written out. I don't think I even need to change these much, and this can be a finished product for my comedy album very quickly. A hitter of this and a nuggie of that, everything I need. You gotta roast a schnuggie every time I wanna boogie, riding from shadow to shadow, everywhere they might not see. Okay, so that's the cannabis verse, and now here is the cocaine verse. A warmed up pen and 8 lines of the truth, everything I need. Diggy that sound every time I go down. The faster I go, the more I have to look at me. That's a mirror joke. Okay, so there's the cocaine verse. And here's the heroin verse, or the opioid verse. I could do a separate opioid verse because those are pills. Anyway, that needle and spoon puts me high like the moon, and it gets you right, everything I need. It gets you right downtown where the hep cats be, walking from smack along the railroad track. Fixing to die most of the time, and sometimes you get to bleed. Okay, so that is a 3-verse song in a comedy, Naked Gun, Liam Neeson type delivery, and this has been 10 o'clock high. Thanks for watching. 10 o'clock high.